In this video, I will explain 3 vowel shapes with tongue position, rounding, and examples. What are they? Let's see. Okay, the first is front vowel. So, a front vowel is pronounced with the highest part of the tongue pushed forward in the mouth and somewhat arched. So the lip rounding is produced by bringing the corner of the lips together and protruding them forward. The example is A in head. A in head. That is a short vowel. And then I in the word feet. Feet. That is a short vowel too. And then the A in bed. Bed. So that is the short vowel. Next is central vowel. Okay, the central vowel is pronounced with the tongue is positioned halfway between a front vowel and a back vowel. Lip rounding involves drawing the corner of the lips together and protruding the lips forward from their normal rest position. So the first is the word sofa. Sofa. That is a short vowel. And then the word bird. Bird. So the I in the bird is a long vowel. And then about. About. So ow in that word is a short vowel. Okay, and then the last is the back vowel. So back vowel is a type of vowel sound in which the tongue is positioned as far back in the mouth as possible, without creating a constriction that would make it a consonant. These vowels are produced with the back part of the tongue raised towards the soft palate or the velum. Rounding of back vowel involves shaping your lips into a round, circular position while producing the vowel sound. Example, the word food. Food. The double O that is read by U. Food. Food. And then that is the long vowel. Food. The next is word go. Go. So the O, not just O, but OU. O. Go. So that is the short vowel. And the word father. Father. So the A, father. You just say it A. Father. And that is the short vowels. So guys, that is my video. So there are 3 types of vowels, that is front vowel, central vowel, and back vowel, with tongue position, rounding, and example. Hope you like it and see you on my next video. Bye bye.